Hi all, welcome to my channel. If you have never seen this face before, then I am Dhwani, and if you guys know me already, then welcome back. I hope all of you guys are doing well. As always, taking care of your health, your well-being, your fitness, your mental peace, whatever, and doing things that makes you happy. And I'm doing good as well. Recently I've started taking care of my dental hygiene. So I've been going for dental deep cleanings, cavities and all those things, fun things. I was a bit scared initially to go for all the kind of dental hygiene and to sit in that chair, but actually, yeah, I mean, it makes sense to take care of your teeth, you know earlier better than doing later and regretting about it. So yeah, that's the update about me. And the reason I'm making this video, I mean, you guys already obviously would have noticed change in my hair, but the reason I'm making this video is because I'm really excited for this new wig that I got. So for like a month I was in a lookout for a good summer wig, because the topper I used to wear is pretty long and heavy, and in summer I wanted to go like a lighter hair and a shorter hair for myself. So this is how the wig looks on me, and this is the first time I am wearing wig. I usually wear toppers, but this is the first wig I own, and I couldn't be happier. So let me just try to get close to the camera and try to show you how the wig color looks like. So it's a dark routing, which is really good because it matches with my hair color. So if you guys see, this is my bio hair, and this is my bio hair as well. So the routing, or the actual color of the hair, matches my bio hair really well. So I can use my sideburns and some of my hairline hair to blend the wig, and then it has all these highlights. I mean, it looks really good when I style it, but I tried to curl it, but then I went out for wine tasting, and it was really windy, and all my styling or all my faded away, and I'm really not good at curling the hair or creating waves in a straight hair, but I'll get better. But this is how the wig came in, and it's a lace top wig. So let me just try to show you the lace. I already cut the lace, but this is where the lace is, and this is how the top looks like. So it's a pretty nice top, and what I have done to make it look more scalp like is I have this I have white powder, which is this, and I have this brush. So I'll just take some of the white powder here and just put it on the part to make it look more natural. But that's it. And you know what the best part about this wig is? There are no clips to attach. And I will be taking the wig out and doing a thorough video, but before I take the wig out, I just wanted to give it a really good flip, a hair flip, and go crazy, just to make sure that this wig stays in place if you're going out, if you're going in a wind. And I have tested it out in a really windy place and it didn't move. And just, yeah, let's get with it. Let's go on with it. Yeah, so if you see, the wig didn't move. Isn't it amazing? Every time I see this new wigs, I am really amazed by the way they're getting the hairlines done. Like see over here. Now this is a wig hair, but it just looks like it's coming from my scalp. Like, it's just genius or magical. I mean, yeah, I mean, I just wonder. It just amazes me every time I see a different kind of wig and hairlines, and the kind of details that all these wig makers are doing recently. And I didn't mention, but this wig is from Madison Hair, and I will link it in the description box below. But she does amazing job in creating wigs, especially the highlights and the different colors, and she gets the tone right. And the another really good thing about this wig is it's 100% human density. So most of the times if you get the toppers, they're like 130, 150 density, like 130% to 150% density. So it's more hair than the human would normally have. But this is like 100% density, so it's kind of a light wig. It doesn't it does not have a lot of weight. And for me personally, it feels like I'm wearing a cap. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a hair. And the good part about it is it's short enough that you can put the hair behind your ears and then just go for a hike or anything. But it's very manageable, if that makes sense. And I'm grateful that I still have this sideburn hair, because that makes this hair look more natural. So yeah, that's how this wig looks on. Now let's get this wig off. It's very easy to get the wig off. So yeah, and this is my hair in a bun, and the wig comes with a wig grip. So it's nothing but a velvet wig grip with this is where the part should go, and this is the front of your hairline that will be putting something like this, and it has a velcro to tie on the back, and the bottom of the wig is pretty much like, so if you see, entire this part over here is net or a lace, and then it's wefted in the back. So the good part about having the vase and almost about having the lace, did I just say vase? Stupid me, happens, you know, sometimes. But this is the lace in the front, and the good part about having this much lace in the front is you can style your hair, or you can part your hair anywhere. Like if you want to go for a side parting, you are able to go for a side parting as well. So that's the reason I love this hair. I mean, you can already say. So it's actually a straight, not a completely straight, but almost straight hair. It's been having this blonde, dirty blonde highlights, and it's perfect for summer, because I was looking for something like short. Maybe I wanted to go a bit shorter than this, but I wanted to have this option where I have a shoulder length hair and can style it, and if I still want to go a bit shorter, I can go for it. But yeah, this is the review. I hope you guys like the review, and let's talk about other things other than that. So I think I mentioned about the confidence last time, and on those topics, I hope some of you or all of you are taking care of your physical health. I have been working out. I have been keeping track of my physical health. Also, do let me know if you guys want me to make a video on the fitness, because I think the weird part about my fitness regime, or the time where I lost a lot of weight, was actually during quarantine by doing workouts, mostly cardio, and I don't follow how do I say, keto diet or anything, but yeah, seeing what I eat and seeing the nutrition label and all those things. So do let me know if you guys want me to make a video about it, or anything in general. Like as I mentioned, I love clothes. I would love to make video about clothing someday, but if you guys want to know or want to see me doing a video on clothing, mention it below. And for everything else, feel free to ask any questions in the comment box, or message me on my Instagram. Sorry for the people for whom I was not able to reply back. I try to reply back most of the folks who message me, but I do want to take my time when I respond them back. Like I just don't want to message them back, if that makes sense. I want to take time to talk to them, to have a good conversation with them, see how it's going, and it's been great so far. So feel free to message me on my Instagram. I'll leave a comment below. So I'll link both the Instagrams, my hair one, and the second is my personal Instagram, where I just go out, have fun, wear hair, and just enjoy. And before I go, I wanted to give the check about my androgenetic alopecia. Now, I have a lot of people coming to me saying that I do have good hair, like I can get away not wearing a wig, but it's about my own personal insecurity. So I do have the hairline hair, so I don't wear hair when I'm working out, but I have most of my problem area, or my problem is here, especially here. So yeah, this is where my alopecia mainly lies. So I don't, yeah, if you can see here, yeah. So for me, I was always I usually don't go to swimming pool because I'm conscious about my scalp showing up, but when it comes to workouts, I usually don't. I just put my hair up in a bun, and yeah, my scalp shows from here, or from here when I'm working out and I'm fully sweaty, but I don't care about it. But this is how my hair looks like in general. Yeah, that was about it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe it, because it encourages me more that the videos I'm creating is making difference. and it makes me feel happy. And I love seeing your comments and your conversations with fellow commenters in the comment box. So do like, do subscribe, and also please feel free to message me on any of my Instagram accounts. I usually reply back in a week. I'll be honest, I'll reply back in a week, and then I'm usually in touch with the person whom I was talking if they have any other questions, or it becomes a kind of a friendship, and then I think we have a common things to discuss on, especially hair and many other things like confidence, clothes, travel. I love to travel. Most of my travel stuff are on my personal Instagram, which I'll be sharing and linking below. But do let me know if you guys want me to make another video on styling this baby up, or any other review. So this was a kind of a review for medicine hair. I'll be linking it below, or clothing, or travel, or anything, or any other questions, or just general about life, philosophies. I just love to talk. By now you guys, most of you guys have known who are talking to with me on Instagram. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope you guys have fun. I hope you guys, wherever you guys are having amazing time and taking care of yourself and your people around you, and are vaccinated and doing great. Bye bye. See you again, and always be beautifully you.